Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Deacon, aka Edikoko, aka Queen of DIYs. So I'm meddling into hair care because my hair has been going through some trying times, and I'm currently in the process of reviving my hair because I've been messing around with my hair a lot. And yeah, I opted for like natural options on how to just revive my hair and bring it back to health. So I'm going to be sharing natural remedies with you guys as I use them and as they work for me. If you're not subscribed, definitely make sure that you are subscribed as we go through this journey together. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And yeah, this is the beginning of hair care on this channel, occasional hair care on this channel. So yeah, please thumbs up this video as we go on. I just wanted to say that when it comes to hair care, I do have a couple of channels that I draw inspiration from here on YouTube, so I'm going to be linking those channels down below, just in case you guys want to check that out. And yeah, without further ado, let us jump right into how to make this hair care treatment that is amazing for hair growth. You're definitely going to see a huge difference with your hair. So first ingredient we need is funegreek seeds, and I'm just going to be taking some amount of funegreek seed and putting it in a heat safe container, and every ingredient and its measurement will be listed in the description bar, so do well to check that out for the list of ingredients and its measurements. So now in that jar I'm going to be adding hot water into the jar. This is to help just extract the potency of the funegreek seeds for further use and just soften it up for further use. So I'm just adding a reasonable amount of water, and I'm going to stir that up with a spatula just to loosen things up a bit. So funegreek is one very potent ingredient for hair growth. It has amazing benefits and vitamins. It just helps to grow your hair and just feeds your hair with what it needs to just be more healthy. So I'm going to put that aside, and now we are going to be taking one aloe vera leaf, and I'm just going to cut that up into smaller pieces. And this is to enable me work with it better, so cutting it up just makes it easier to work with. Now I'm going to take each of the chunk and I'm going to peel that up. I'm peeling that up to get the aloe vera gel inside. You do not need the green parts of the leaf, you just need the gel inside. Now aloe vera, I need not say much about it. It's one lovely and should I say important ingredient for hair care. It's like one of the best things to put on your hair, and I've never really seen or heard anybody that their hair rejects the benefits of aloe vera. So it is one ingredient to definitely look out for when it comes to hair care. And yeah, so I'm just peeling that up and transferring it into a bowl. And when working with fresh aloe vera like this, please, you need to be careful with your knife because things can get slippery and you don't want any domestic hazards. So yeah, let's just stay careful with our knives and aloe vera. And yeah, so just putting that out there. So next I'm going to be taking one large size carrot and I'm going to be chopping that up into smaller chunks as well and transferring them into the bowl. Carrot is also another amazing ingredient for both hair and skin. You know we love carrots in this channel, I always say that. So I'm transferring that into the bowl. And now we are also chopping up our ginger. Ginger also has amazing benefits for the hair. So we are just chopping that up and transferring it into the same bowl. And also now we are going to add our rosemary, fresh rosemary leaf. Now that we have all our ingredients together in one place, we're going to take a blender and just transfer everything into the blender. So now the next step is to transfer our funegreek seeds and the water. Remember our funegreek seeds and water? Yeah, we're just going to transfer that into the blender as well. And now we are going in with everything, both the seed and the water. And as you can see, the water has changed color, which means it's been properly infused. And yeah, I'm just turning that into the blender. And next we are going to blend away. So now I'm just blending that up to just help the ingredients break down better and just mixing all together better. So when I'm done blending, I'm then going to take a bowl and then take a stocking. It's a wheat cap. You can use cheesecloth if you have that. This works fine as well if you have it. Yeah, so I'm just putting that over the bowl to sieve the juice that we have from the puree. So now I'm just transferring everything in the blender into the bowl, and then I'm going to be squeezing out all the juice from this. Not only does blending this help in just breaking things down or just cutting them into tinier pieces, it just helps as well to mix your ingredients together properly, so everything just mixes up in the blender. And yeah, so now I'm just squeezing out all the juice from the puree. And please guys, ignore my gloves. So now I'm taking a spray bottle and I'm just going to be transferring the juice into a spray bottle. And here we have our hair care treatments that will just help in boosting hair growth, stimulating the scalp to just sprout the hair growth a lot more. So here it is. So now let's move over to the application of this hair care treatment. So first I would section my hair. Sorry, I had already started doing this before I remembered, oh, I should film this time. So I'm just sectioning my hair and I'm just putting it all over my hair, and then I remembered I needed to put something on my skin. So now I'm just taking with my hands, I'm just pressing the hair care spray into my hair thoroughly, making sure that everything just goes into every section properly. So now I'm taking my hair in sections and I'm just running my hands through to make sure that everything goes in well, and then I'm going to be braiding each section that I have worked with up. So I'm just braiding it to keep it a protective style so I could go to bed, because after this I was going to bed. So yeah, I'm just working with section. Now I'm moving over to the next section and I'm just spraying it as well, and then I'll work my way through it, work my hands through my hair to make sure that everything goes in properly and all the hair strands receives all the love and care from this treatment. And after I do that, I'm just going to braid it up again and into a protective style. So now that I'm done with that section, I'm just going over to the other section and I'm just basically repeating the same thing, putting the spray. You can see the amount of spray I have left after the last one I did. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys a quick length check. I also do this with my protective styling, like I spray my hair and then massage into my scalp even when I have protective style on. And now that I am done with all the sections, and I mean like applying the spray into all the sections, I'm then going to take it and spray on my scalp just to make sure that all my hair receives all the love and care from this hairspray. I'm very generous with this. So yeah, that's all that I do, and voila, Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're going to try this, please drop a comment down below. If you do try it, also come back and drop a comment. Let's know what your hair growth level has been like, what you think about this spray. And yeah, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you're subscribed. I'm coming up with more hair care tips for you guys, and DIYs as well. And also check out my skincare DIYs. They're available on this channel. And yeah, do well to make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you're notified every single time that I post a video. And I wish you a gorgeous healthy hair, and I would see you in my next video. Love you guys so much. Please remember to thumbs up this video. Bye.